Welcome back to the Python Masterclass. In episode 8, we mastered lists and tuples. Now, in episode 9, we step into Python's most powerful built-in data structures, dictionaries and sets. These two tools will change how you think about storing and working with data, and you will use them in virtually every serious Python project. A dictionary is Python's key-value store. Instead of accessing data by position like a list, you access it by unique key, like a real-world dictionary, where you look up a word to find its definition. You create dictionaries with curly braces and colon-separated key-value pairs. The get method is safer than direct bracket access. If the key doesn't exist, it returns a default value instead of raising an error. Dictionaries give you three powerful views for iteration. Keys returns an iterable of all the keys. Values returns all the values. Items returns key-value pairs as tuples, which you can unpack directly in a for loop. Dictionary comprehensions work exactly like list comprehensions, but produce a dictionary. They're the cleanest way to transform or filter key-value data. A set is an unordered collection of unique items. Duplicates are automatically removed, which makes sets the fastest way to deduplicate a list. Sets use hash-based lookup, which means checking whether an item is in a set is an extremely fast operation regardless of how large the set is. You add items with add and remove them safely with discard, which never raises an error even if the item doesn't exist. Sets support 4 mathematical operations directly in Python. Union combines all items from both sets. Intersection gives you only the items that appear in both. Difference gives you items in the first set but not the second. Symmetric difference gives you items that appear in one set but not both. These operations are used constantly in data analysis, deduplication pipelines, and permission systems. Both dictionaries and sets are the right tool in different situations. Use a dictionary when your data has meaningful keys, user profiles, configuration settings, word frequency counts. Use a set when you care only about uniqueness, visited URLs, active user IDs, allowed permissions. The word frequency counter pattern is one of the most common real-world uses of a dictionary and is worth memorizing. That wraps up episode 9. You now have a complete working knowledge of Python dictionaries and sets. In episode 10, we cover 2 critical skills that every professional Python developer needs: file handling and exception management, how to read and write files, and how to write code that handles errors gracefully instead of crashing. Subscribe, and I will see you there.